It's been a little bit more than 1 year, but finally we have reached the 10,000 subscribers, and of course that is something I want to celebrate and I want to thank you for. Because without you it would have been pretty impossible, of course, to reach those 10,000 subscribers. So again, I would like to thank you for being a part of this journey, for being a subscriber, for being someone who watches my content, who invests his or her time into watching my videos. And in order to thank you, I would like to offer you a promotion, because as you might know, I'm running 2 different programs at the moment. I have a program on technical analysis for beginners. You can read everything about it on nesami.com/TA. But I'm currently also running a Dutch program, which is only for Dutch people, of course, people who speak Dutch. And this is a program for beginners. So people who want to start with investing and who want to know everything about the Fufita strategy that I use, the fundamental financial and technical analysis. And of course, apart from that, all kinds of things about mindset and crypto and stocks, etc., etc. So if you want more information about the TA program, the technical analysis program, definitely check out nesami.com/TA. And with regards to the Dutch program, it's on nesami.com/programma, which is of course a Dutch word. Now, I'm offering you a nice little discount of 50% off for this entire week up to Sunday. So this Sunday, of course, that is going to be in a few days time, or about 5 days time right now. And in order to use that promotion, you can use the code 10KSUBS. So the number 10 and then K subs, SUBS. That should do the trick. And then you're going to get 50% off of both of these programs. Of course, if you're Dutch, then you can have both. But if you're not Dutch, it's kind of a little bit difficult to get that Dutch program for sure. The only thing that I ask for you in return for this beautiful promotion is that you leave a review, a video review of the program that you choose. So I'd like to talk a little bit with you about how the situation is going at the moment, what I'm currently planning on doing in the future. First of all, let's jump into the YouTube analytics so you can see what I have accomplished in the last year, more or less. So this is basically since, well, I started out especially in October last year, of course. And as you can see, I started out pretty well. I was focusing quite a lot on SPACs. As some of you might know, I was doing a lot of content about SPACs, special purpose acquisition corporations. Quite a lot of views, especially all the way up to, more or less March, April, I would say. And then the views started to decline a little bit all the way into summer. I was making fewer videos as well. I was focusing a little bit more on the Dutch content, basically starting August, September, something around there. And right now it seems to be that the amount of views are picking up right now. So it could also be a little bit because of seasonality, people watching more and more videos in, for example, in autumn and winter instead of in the middle of the summer. I can definitely imagine that you would prefer to enjoy your holidays instead of watching my videos. I can definitely understand that. So yes, we do have right now more than 10,000 subscribers. We can also see that in the last a little bit more than 1 year, I have gathered 569,000 views, 31.9k watch time in hours, of course. And the revenue has been a little bit over 3,000 euros. Of course, that is not enough to be living off of, but it's definitely not too bad at all. So what I'm currently focusing on is I'm focusing more and more on the Dutch channel. As you might know, I started this Dutch channel just a few months ago. Right now it has a little bit over 500 subscribers. And of course, the goal is going to be to grow this one into 10,000 subscribers. Maybe by the end of next year, 2022, that would be already pretty awesome. One of the reasons, one of the ways that I use right now to get more subscribers is by collaborating with a platform for Dutch people who are interested in crypto. This is called Crypto Insiders, and they have a beautiful news platform with a lot of viewers every single day, and I'm creating content for them. So I'm making crypto videos, and of course, the people who are on Crypto Insiders, they can watch my crypto videos for sure. I'm also currently running masterclasses, webinars, if you will, for Dutch people. First of all, of course, to educate people about investing, how to get started in the world of investing, a little bit about my strategy, the Fufita strategy, fundamental financial and technical analysis. And at the end of the masterclass, at the end of the webinar, I also pitch my program. So the program that I have just been showing you, the Dutch program, which is a part of my webinar as well. And apart from that, I'm also focusing on a community at this very moment. I have a Dutch Discord community. So if you are Dutch and you would like to join that, definitely go to nesami.com/discordnl if you would like to join our community. I'm trying to make this, of course, the biggest Discord community for Dutch people who are interested in investing. That, of course, might take a while, but it's definitely the goal with this Discord community. So you can wonder, okay, what is the future that you're working towards? Well, If you go to my website nesami.com/mission, you can find all about my mission and my roadmap in order to achieve my mission. My mission is to make sure that everyone knows how to invest and that everyone knows how to lead a financially healthy life. And the roadmap, I've already provided this roadmap quite a while ago, probably like half a year ago almost already. And as I said, I was going to build a Discord community. That is what I'm right now working on quite a lot. Growing on YouTube to build a reputation. Well, I've been growing quite a lot on my English channel, of course, and right now the goal is to focus more on the Dutch channel. I also am trying to generate more revenue because, as you've seen, well, 3,000 euros in 1 year with only YouTube, that is fine, but it's definitely not enough to live off of. So that is why I'm selling these programs right now on Investing for Beginners, which is the Dutch program, on Technical Analysis, which is the English program, and yeah, to generate revenue, not only to live off of for myself, but also to be able to hire more assistants to scale more quickly. Right now, I'm currently working with one person who is helping me with the Facebook and Instagram advertising. It doesn't really go very well at this very moment. It seems very difficult to attract enough people to make this a worthwhile situation. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on in the next couple of months to see if I'm going to be able to turn a profit with those campaigns, with those ad campaigns via Facebook and Instagram. That is going to be one of my focuses for the next couple of months, more or less. And another focus is going to be this one over here, that I'm going to have talks at schools and company to help more people and build a reputation as well. The only thing is that right now at this very moment in time, and yeah, as I'm recording this, we are at the end of November, the 22nd of November. Of course, there's a lot of instability around the world with the whole COVID situation. And right now it's very difficult to go to companies and schools as well, because yeah, a lot of people are working and learning from home as well. So I am trying to wait a little bit more until we have a more stable environment. Hopefully in spring, the situation is going to be a little bit better than it is right now, because I definitely expect more instability for the next couple of months. In winter, I do expect that it could be a pretty tough winter for sure, but I believe this is going to be the major next step for me to be able to give talks at schools and companies in order to help more people and to build a better reputation, or better, a solid reputation for myself, of course, because I want to achieve, or I want to reach more people at this very moment. I want to be able to reach the average Dutch person in this case, because I'm going to be focusing on Dutch people. So I want to reach the average Joe, if you will. Because if you're on YouTube, the thing is, if I make videos about a certain stock or a certain crypto, then people who are looking for that information are going to find that information. But the average Joe who isn't even investing yet just isn't going to end up at my video. So I'm going to be able, or I'm going to need to go to those people in real life and to talk to them, to show them how powerful investing can actually be. So with this entire schedule, with this entire roadmap, with the programs, I'm going to try to hopefully generate more revenue, and then I'm also going to be able to hire a assistant for filming and editing my videos, filming the videos or filming the talks that I'm going to be having at schools and companies. But of course, that is going to be at a later stage, not in the next couple of months, but hopefully somewhere in spring next year, 2022. So let's see how that is going to go in the next couple of months, if you will. So again, I would like to thank you a lot for being a part of my journey, for being a part of those 10,000 subscribers. And again, definitely make sure to take advantage of that code 10K subs to get one of those programs if you are Dutch, or just the program about technical analysis for beginners. Let's see if next year, 2022, I'm going to be able to make the Dutch channel reach 10,000 subscribers. And with that being said, I would like to thank you for your time, for investing all the time you have been investing in my videos, for investing the time to click the like button, to drop a comment, for example. Those are things that I appreciate a lot. So thank you for that. Again, thanks a lot, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.